I could erase the key if you want.
Erase the old key?
Yeah, but if I do, you gotta do 2 new ones.
I have to do 2 new ones?
Yeah.
Man, it was crazy because when I got out of the car, when I was parking, I was like, my keys seem lighter. I probably have to jump the battery because last time his battery was dead.
Oh, it's dead? Okay. Well, I have cables if you want. Is this your car right next to it?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this your daily driver then, or?
No, that one is.
The Ford?
No, the one on the other side.
Okay, okay. So what are you doing with this one?
Just sitting. If anything happens to that one, I'll jump to this one.
Oh, gotcha. So you had it lost the key a while ago then, or?
No, I noticed it when I pulled in to take my daughter in, and I was like, my keys seem lighter.
Oh, really?
And I was like, something's missing. I was like, the Lincoln keys are missing.
Oh, no. Keyboard, key code, 01. See all those number 1 cuts? I had to actually pick it a lot to get those. When it's a number 4, you don't pick it at all. Or a number 5, I should say, on a Ford. Okay, worked over there. No ignition. So we'll cut the last 2. And then it should work. I think it still has a battery, so we should be okay. I think it still has a battery.
Last time I tried to start it, it was dead.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, it's blinking.
Click, 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 click.
Oh, I see, okay.
And all the lights came on.
The lights came on, but it wouldn't start?
What?
The lights came on, but it wouldn't start?
Yeah, like a whole bunch, like all the lights started flashing on the dash.
Did it, did you jump it and then it started, or no?
Yeah, I jumped it once and it started.
Okay, good. Okay.
And then my phone. Will it have the remote start also or no?
It had a remote start before?
Yeah, the keyless start.
Oh shoot, I didn't cut that one. On the remote it had it?
No, I have another little remote to it.
Oh, no, it won't have that. No. And that little remote did what? Just a keyless start? Or? Okay. You got it from the same place?
No, you can't. I don't know if you lost my keys.
Yeah, it's dead. No, it's dead, but... Alright, let's jump it. I'm going to start the programming and then I'll cut the next key. Yeah, it's... well... it's turning on my program, huh? Yeah, 7 volts. That battery's dead.
I gotta put this guy.
Yeah. You want to just use cables?
Okay.
Well, I'll show you. Let me show you something really quick. One sec. It was a Lincoln MKX or something?
No, this is an Navigator.
Navigator? Okay. And then 2008. Oh. So that's your security light. It doesn't recognize the key. So if someone else has the other key, that's all that's going to do is basically flash and won't actually start. Okay, it'll crank right now, or it won't even crank. It'll just.
The other key won't?
Yeah. So when you do all keys lost, you see, you need a minimum of 2 keys to program. Okay. That's what you got to do too. So, but that's going to erase the other key.
Why should you hire America's largest entry law firm?
Okay, so it's working on this side.
Just like there's a reason millions of people
Kind of.
told us last year in their time of need. When it comes to
Total key
fighting for
0.
justice and
Okay, so it erased all the keys.
millions of people across the country.
That's what we wanted. It should stay solid.
The world for a reason.
Perfect. And then let me go get. Let me cut one more. I should have cut it already. I thought it would make me wait 10 minutes, but it didn't. Next one, real quick. All right. All right, let me jump in.
I just seen the key.
Oh. All right, let's leave it. So whenever it stays solid like that, that means there's only 1 key in the memory. These cars will never start with only 1 key in the memory. So that's the first one. We'll put the next one in. Should shut off. There we go. So there's 2 keys in now. Uh-oh. Make sure that light is turned on. Okay.
They just threw a rocket out the window.
They did what?
Threw a rock at my window.
Who did? The boys?
The kids at the farm.
Were you on the balcony?
No. I was in the room looking for my keys.
Oh, like a neighbor? Someone, like a neighborhood kid or something? You want me to yell at him?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. It's getting close. Maybe I'll click function.
It didn't erase the memory. The code here, did it?
No. I feel like it should have stronger. We could try to put another jump box on there and the cables.
You want me to try just jump?
Yeah, hold on. I'm trying to program the remote for you. Let me try. Let me close the door real quick. Thanks.
Like they're as good now as the day they rolled off the assembly line. Speaking of time, I wonder if I have enough time before my next meeting to run out and get some cheese.
Surprised I'm not going in programming.
The best new cars make the best used cars. Right now, get 5.49% financing on certified used Camry, Corolla, RAV4, DC4X.
Okay. Okay, the remotes are in. That's locked. Unlocked. Those are the keys. And then, yeah, we can try to jump it. Shall I rev the other one? I'll rev the other one. All right, I guess leave it running or may need a new battery.
No. Don't wish that on me.
I don't wish it on you. But it is Arizona.